YouTube, it's your boy Keesavelli, and back with a not so good video. Just got finished washing my car, but yeah, I did things different. I didn't want to go through the drive-through, so I used a power wash on my car, and that did not go too well at all. Like, I don't even want to wipe my car down. Like, that shit just, I used a bay I ain't never used before, and yeah, that wasn't good. That bay was a fucking hex, man. The fuck. I don't even want to wipe my shit down. That's how fucking bad it is. Like, honestly, I think I'm about to stop, because it's not fucking worth it. But I'll show you in a minute what this power wash fucking did. So now it's either invest in a wrap or invest in some touch-up paint for my car. Since the power wash fucked my shit, first we're gonna start by showing you my YouTube channel. Yeah, that shit is fucking done. Like, literally fucking done. I'm gonna cut that shit off later. But as you can see, it's fucking done. But get down here and that bitch fucking peeled the paint off my fucking car. Damn! Literally peeled the paint off my fucking car. Yeah. Yep. And I'm done wiping now. So I'm a little pissed off about that one, but fuck it. Like, literally, fuck it. Oh shit. That shit pissed me the fuck off, bro. Like, no bullshit. Whoop. I'll cut right over here. But yeah. I don't know how the fuck. I just seen it. Literally, the shit holes in the car down. This shit flew off like paper was flying on a fucking windy day. And yeah, and then fucking YouTube, I'm peeling all that off. I'm peeling off front and back. Fuck it, I'm gonna get that shit redid. But yeah, that yeah, that power wash, that bitch wasn't no whore. That bitch was turned up because it peeled the fucking paint off my car. So I'm a little pissed off about that one, but at the same time, I gotta get that shit fixed. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna see about how much that's gonna cost to even patch that shit the fuck up. Cause yeah, I can't ride around with no big ass gray spot in my bumper. But it is what it is. Fuck it. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm fucking mad, yo. I've been through so much shit with this car this year, with the nigga fucking my whole driver's side up. And now I got paint being peeled with a pressure washer. Like, how the fuck is that even possible, yo? Like, how the fuck you telling me that shit was that turned up? It peeled the paint off my shit. That shit that turned up, it should be able to put out a fucking house fire quick. 60 seconds tops max, you know what I'm saying? But man, fuck that shit. I ain't never in this video. This gonna be this video is just a little long for real. Not long, but it's like day 2 after I washed my car. But I got a video I ain't even finished putting together that I'm gonna finish today, probably. If not, I'm just gonna put all this shit together. Be a long video, but as you can clearly see that the ILEV is gone. So it's like now my shit say Kisa. Like, I don't fucking know, but that shit coming off today. It'd probably be a while before I put it back up. But yeah, I'm on my way to the gym. So yeah, I gotta get back in. I ain't been in there in like fucking 2 days. So it's just what it is though. But I gotta still get to the fucking gym. There's fucking people out here and shit. Fuck, they all on lunch break. Fuck is going on? But I'll grab my man AP. We gonna slide up in his gym, get this workout. So I had to stop and grab me something from Subway. Good old spicy Italian with the turkey on it. But I just realized something. I left my fucking water in the house. Left my fucking water in the house. Got this big canteen 1 liter joint. I left it in the house. I did that same shit yesterday. That's why I didn't go to the gym. Because we doing an hour on that Stairmaster. And boy, working out with these masks on, ain't no joke. You feel me? This fucking seatbelt on. Oh, fuck, hold up. Yeah, I left my water in the house, but working out with those masks ain't no joke. It'd be like, I be needing that water, especially during an hour on a Stairmaster. So wait till I tell my man that I left my water again. I want to get his reaction, because I ain't going back home for that shit. Oh shit. Yo, what? I left my water again. Yo, it dawned on me I was in the car, yo. It's like, yo, I did something dumb again.
6.5 hours later.
So I'm back. I ended up going to the gym. I went back and got my water bottle. That shit's somewhere in the back of my fucking car. I don't know, but it's been a long, stressful day. But it's cool. I'm about to take my ass to fucking the house. Relax in my domain. Watch some YouTube, cause I ain't got nothing else to watch. Started watching Teen Wolf past couple of days. Season 5 and 6, finished that last night. But yeah, it's cool. But as you can see, like the I, the L, the E, the V, I'm snatching all that off. Even the one on the back. snatching that off too. Probably do that tomorrow. Got a little meeting at 11 o'clock. Dude was like 8 o'clock in the morning. I was like, what? Nah, bro. I'm not getting up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I mean, I don't have a problem. I get up at 4 on a regular, but I get up at 8 o'clock just to meet you for some paperwork. That's not. You hear that thing, but that's not really important. So, I mean, it's kind of important. Some government shit, federal. I don't know. It's paperwork though. Fuck it. But yeah, this video gonna be long as shit. I'm not editing straight raw, straight cuts. I'm throwing it all together. Fuck it, cause this like day 4, day 3. Nah, day 4 on this video. It's fucking raining, but it's all good though. I ain't tripping. Big eye. I'm gonna have to cut that out, but it's raining. Gotta meet this dude, grab his paperwork, sign off on it. It's been a busy week, man. Busy week. But it's all good. But don't worry about that seatbelt beeping. I'll go get some gas. So ain't no point in me putting that on, just take it back off. Makes no sense, right? But by the time I drop this video, I should be at 1,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna have 1,000 subscribers. Now my main focus is, after that, is pushing more content to get my views up. Getting views up on videos I already have put out. You know what I'm saying? Once my views get all the way up there, check, baby. YouTube cutting that check. More money, more money, more money. Yeah, I'm gonna get that check. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to take things to a whole nother perspective. It's not all about the money from YouTube. It's about the partnership and the sponsorships. An opportunity to have doors open for me to do different things, try different whips. You know what I'm saying? Just, yeah, different endeavors, you feel me? Investments, all types of shit. But that's just where I'm at. But it ain't really trying to clock it for the bread. I just want it. I'm in it for what it'll bring, which is future opportunities for myself and my people who ride with me. Had to go run pay for that gas. But yeah, man, but we back in that gym today. Whoa. I let her fly in this bitch. Fuck. I roll the windows down. Take off fast. But back in the gym today. I got a fitness channel. It's under construction. I'm working on building it up. It's called Keys Fit. It's my main channel. That's what I'm focused on. But I'm gonna basically like intertwine videos working out on this one, but the full video on my fitness channel. Pump's done. So I'm back. I know I said earlier, by the time I drop this video, I'll be at 1,000 subscribers. I'm dropping this shit. But make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and if you're new to the channel or you sharing my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and click that bell. But I'm out.